In this video, we want to focus on how to sort and filter data in Excel. So first of all, we go to the Data tab into the Sort and Filter ribbon. So with Sort, you could sort your cells alphabetically. So now this menu opens and we could choose by what we want to sort it on. We have the column M, and we could sort on cell values, on the cell color, the font color, or other formatting, and we will do the values and the order A to Z. So now we have our random letters sorted alphabetically, easily with the sorting tool. With the filters, you can easily do filters on every column that you have. So we would choose this one, do a filter. Now we see this little arrow, and we can now choose which ones we don't want to see. For example, we don't want to see M and I. And we see as soon as we go back, those are hidden. They are not deleted, but they are hidden. And if we go back to this menu, we can easily select them again, and they will show again. Of course, this is a really easy example, but filters could be really useful if you have a very big spreadsheet or database that you need to search or filter, so it could be really useful. And the sorting could be useful if you have a list of names, for example, or of products, and you want them to be sorted alphabetically. You could just easily highlight them and go to this button, and it's all done.